How to not opening not RESP ending Photoshop on Windows 11. Let's see how to fix Photoshop not opening. Go to Photoshop and click here. First, go to the search button and search Tasks Manager. Then, click on Adobe Photoshop. I hope your problem will be solved. Now open Adobe Photoshop. Now, Adobe Photoshop has opened. It seems that you will also open it. Thank you for watching the video.